Hey, gorgeous. It's zepbound day. It is zepbound day. All right, so brief intermission, okay? I just got finished filming another video. All right. So this is like a little behind the scenes, so we're going to change clothes, okay? 1 second, girl, as I put on my sweater that I was supposed to do a haul that I got from Temu. Temu. Yes, yes. All right, so we're going to talk about zepbound. All right, we're going to give you a zepbound update. I am confused on the weeks because all the weeks is becoming a blur. All right, yes, 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 yes. All right, so if you have not checked out my video last Friday, I was in a hotel in Kissimmee, and it was the day after the Hurricane Milton. This was a planned vacation that I already had, and I gave an update there. It was a very stressful moment, but just know that my lights came on Sunday late afternoon, and yeah, your girl had to go out and buy more food. And let's just say that when you spend money on food, having to replenish what is now trash, 2 bags of trash at that, I looked and I'm like, $300, and then I put it in the refrigerator, in the deep freezer, and it's like it barely filled up anything. So it just goes to show you like how prices are skyrocketing. Well, they have been skyrocketing anyway, but my goodness. But I ain't complaining, I'm just sharing, that's all. So I hope everyone is safe out there, and let's go ahead and get into the zepbound update. So because I was on vacation, I mentioned before that I really do not gain weight on vacation because I still eat the same way that I eat as if I was at home. My excitement comes from just being in a whole new environment. I am not really worried about too much of food. These are some of the foods that I've ate. I did eat out. Where did we go? To Kiki's. I ate breakfast at Kiki's, and the breakfast was delicious. Yes, yes, yes. It sure was. I had breakfast. I had Dunkin' Donuts sandwich, which was not that appetizing to me. You know, I had a lot of different things, but the one thing that I've noticed is that I don't snack a lot. And I believe that is what's saving me from gaining weight and just overeating. I don't do the mindless snacking, and of course that comes from the GLP-1 medications because you no longer have that food noise. Now, the last time when I spoke to you guys about my weight, I was at 139. I just wanted to let you know that I am at I'll put it up here, because usually whatever I weigh today is what I'm going to be weighing on Friday. It's really not that big of a difference at all. So it's 138.2. So I lost a pound, about a pound. Okay, yay for me. All right. My weight loss goal was already achieved. It was 145. I did have a second weight loss goal, which is 135, but I'm not too much worried about getting to that 135. It will come whenever it comes, and I prefer it to come with fat loss versus actual weight loss. So, yeah, my eating has still been the same. I just eat 2 meals a day. Sometimes I'll eat 3. I was not at work. And I just want to share a little bit with you. Why do I feel like I can't even talk? I was talking fluently in the other video, and now I feel like I can't even talk right. But I have 2 days worth of eating. So one day I was actually just showing you step by step pretty much of what I was eating. And then the second day I tracked my food. Okay, what I eat in a day or two, just to give you an idea. I'm not going to be eating like this all the time, but what I will be doing going forward, especially as the days and weeks is approaching, that I will not be on these medications anymore, is one of the things that I learned is that when it comes down to protein, I have to double up on my protein in order for me to feel full. And me just having eggs and bacon with some cheese that ain't gonna work for me, because within 2 hours I can easily be hungry. And that's something that I noticed, like when I was not on these medications. While I'm on these medications, I can be full pretty fast. Now, I did forget to mention, I am taking my medications every other week. So on Sunday, when I did do the injection, that was day 15 for me. And I was pretty nervous about day 15 because I thought that whole weekend I would like be wanting to eat a whole lot of food. And I wasn't. Like, I don't know if it was because of the ongoing stress of what was happening in Tampa, but I was away from all of that, so there was no reason for me to be stressed out or anything like that. I already knew I was going to have to buy more food, but being in Kissimmee, everything was open. There was nothing closed. Everything was at my disposal. I even went shopping at Ross and bought some more clothes because your girl needed some more. But I don't know. I just felt like my appetite felt the same as if I just took the injection, if that makes sense. So day 15 for me was just easy going. Like, I really could have went a little bit longer, but I just went ahead and took the injection anyway. So we'll see within the next 2 weeks, by day 13, 14, let's see how that goes, how my appetite goes. Maybe this was just like a one-off thing because I was stressed out on the day of the hurricane. You know, as it was going on in the middle of the night, and then the next day, you know, it's hot and all of this stuff. So maybe my body was just coming off of that adrenaline. Maybe that's what it was, because I know Patrice Denise mentioned that around day 14, days leading up to day 14, she does get pretty hungry. Like, her appetite tends to come back. But for me, it didn't, and I was a little shocked. So maybe it was because of the adrenaline of what was happening. But so we're going to test it again. Okay, so not this weekend, but next weekend, next Sunday, I will see how my appetite goes and pay attention to that and see if that, you know, see if the hurricane had any correlation with me not feeling so hungry. Okay, so it's just all about alternating the carbs. You don't have to eat carbs every single day. But yeah, girl, like, it was really cute. But today I doubled up on my protein, doubled it up, you know. So right now I'm just rambling. If you have any suggestions, just go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, gorgeous.